How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're in this page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. You'll be directed to settings and activity page. Here, you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section for professionals. Under that, you're gonna find the option business tools and controls. Click on that option. Now scroll down and click on the option switch account type. Now select the option switch to personal account. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all your content, including your promotions. You'll also lose access to Meta business tools like Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. Click on the option switch to personal account. And that's it, you have just switched back to your personal account on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.